Hey glamorous souls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, your destination for luxury nail art inspiration and high-end manicure trends. Today we are diving into the world of elegant nail art designs that scream class, confidence and creativity, from diamond-studded manicures to minimal French elegance. I'm showing you the most breathtaking nail styles. Whether you love gel nails, acrylic nails, or chrome designs, this video has your next signature look. Get ready to discover 2026 trendiest and most luxurious nail inspirations. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's step into the world of beauty and brilliance because your nails deserve to shine like jewels. Let's begin this luxury nail journey. Nail art isn't just fashion, it's self expression at your fingertips. The right nail design can elevate your entire look instantly, from red carpet glamour to everyday luxury. Your hands tell your story. Whether you are wearing satin gowns or streetwear, perfect nails complete your look. A well-designed manicure reflects elegance, precision, and creativity. Today's luxury nail art isn't just about colors, it's about concept. Every detail, from cuticle care to top coat shine matters. Think of your nails as miniature work of art because style starts with the smallest details, and that's where true luxury lives. Let's explore this year's most stunning luxury nail art designs. First, chrome nails, mirror shine, futuristic, and ultra glamorous. A must have for everyone who loves bold sophistication. Next, French manicure, reinvented. Classic white tips meet metallics, pearls, and color edges. Perfect for elegant minimalism. Then 3D acrylic nails, sculpt flowers, crystals, or artistic textures. Pure couture. Another favorite, ombre gel nails, soft gradients in rose gold, champagne or nude tones, timeless luxury. Marble nail art is back and more refined than ever. Pair it with gold foil for that premium artistic touch. Cat eye gel designs, mysterious, magnetic, and luminous. A little magic for every moment. Minimal luxe nails, nude bases with gold or silver accents. Perfect for CEOs, brides, and modern icons. diamond crystals and rhinestone nails, pure red carpet energy, and of course, velvet nails, the softest texture trends of 2026, smooth, elegant, and rich in depth. Every style tells a story. Choose the one that speaks luxury to you. So, dear viewers, how do you pick the perfect high end nail designs for you? Step 1, consider your occasion. For glass or weddings, go for Swarovski studded or chrome nails. For office elegance, new tones with metallic tips never fail. For casual days, pastel ombre or minimalist designs work beautifully. Step 2, match your nail shape. Almond and coffin shapes add drama. Square or oval nails feel refined and classic. Step 3, think color psychology. Gold is luxury, black is sophistication, pink is feminine power, red is timeless elegance, and white is pure chic. Remember, nails should complement your personality, not compete with it. So, viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and comments, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members on social media apps.